Hi, welcome to Yolo Queen Bee Tarot, and I'm Yolo Queen Bee. I'll be doing a reading for December 2021 for sun sign of Virgo. All right, Virgo. We're doing collective reading for Virgo. Collective reading for Virgo. What's going on with Virgo's energy? Going on with Virgo's energy. All right, Virgo. We have the Devil. We have the Four Coins in reverse. We have the King of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Two of Coins. Well, the Devil energy is definitely is Capricorn in tarot, but the Devil energy speaks about addictions. And here you have the Four Coins in reverse, which means someone is focused on materialism and controlling behavior. Maybe there's a King of Swords in your life, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. The King of Swords, he's about his business. He wants the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. And he ain't got time for no shenanigans. And then here's the Hierophant. This is someone who is definitely has knowledge and wisdom. They're someone that people seek counsel from. They could be someone of authority, a priest, a court, a teacher. This also is Taurus energy. And then the Two of Pentacles. I mean, someone's juggling here. Tell us, what's the Devil? Clarify the Devil for Virgo, please. Ooh, heartbreak. Sadness. Clarify the Three of Swords. What causes the sadness? A Page of Wands in reverse. Someone's... That's a fire sign energy. Someone who's unreliable and hastiness. That might be a good thing. Then they're moving on. Hopefully, you're moving on from that, Virgo. Oh, who's this King of Swords? Clarify this King of Swords. King of Swords and the King of Wands. So maybe there's a fire sign in their King of Wands energy right now. They just want the facts. They ain't got time for the bullshit. What's this Hierophant? What's this Hierophant? The King of Pentacles, Aries energy. And the King of Pentacles, he's someone that's about his coins. So he's very methodical in his thinking and in his actions. Clarify this King of Pentacles. Yeah, Knight of Cups. Someone who's has some... This king could be in his Knight of Cups energy, his in and out energy. And he could be a King of Pentacles, but he could also be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. What's the balance? What's the Two of Coins? What's the balance here for Virgo? Thank you. That's you, Virgo. Go within. Time to go within and do your spiritual work. Clarify the High Priestess for Virgo, please. Yep. Walking away to calmer waters. What's this Four of Coins? Why do they focus on materialistic things? That's the truth. That's the truth. You're focused on materialistic things. So hopefully you get some clarity. You'll get a new beginning and some clarity, which is good. Because material is not the only thing. So what happens once they get some clarity? What's the outcome from getting clarity? Ooh. Ha 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 ha. You got the Fool, the Hermit, which is Virgo energy, and the Wounded Warrior. It says once you go within and decide to take the leap of faith, the only person you can rely on is yourself. So you got to go within and take that leap of faith and do the work. Maybe it's time to heal some trauma yourself. All right, Virgo. Let's get you an oracle card. And I'm using the Gaia Oracle by Toni, Carmine, Salerno. You got heartbreak. Are you heartbreaking somebody? Or someone heartbroke you, Virgo? It's time to move forward and put your focus on yourself instead of the materialistic gains, looks like. Can we get a card for Virgo, please? All right. Remembrance. Resurfacing of past feelings and emotions. Card 21. It is said that all we have is the present. While that is true, it is also true that in essence, past, present, and future are one. We are connected energetically to both past and future. Life is an evolving story, and where we are now is a result of where we have been. This card signifies the past feelings and emotions are resurfacing from deep within you, and you may find yourself on an emotional roller coaster over the coming days. Do not fight it. This is all fine. Emotional roller coaster in the coming days. That means doing that inner work, going within, choosing yourself. Come on, Spirit. It is important to occasionally remember and honor your past, for it is part of you, part of your soul's journey. Yet remember to honor everything, every part of it, regardless of whether you perceive some parts to be good or bad, for in some way every experience has helped to expand your understanding and appreciation of life. Occasionally reflecting on the past is healthy, just as giving some thought to your future is wise. However, excessive preoccupation with either only serves to rob you of the present moment, and that serves no real purpose. So, however, excessive preoccupation with either only serves to rob you of your present moment, and that serves no real purpose. So that means that you need to get out your head, move to calmer waters, right? Affirmations. I bless my past and I am grateful for every experience. For every experience has helped me expand my understanding of love. My life is forever unfolding as it should. The past, the present, and the future are one. I honor and respect my feelings, emotions, for they are part of my story. Good stuff. All right, Gaia, thank you. All right, Virgo, thank you for joining me. I'm Yolo Queen B. You only live once, and remember, I love you. Namaste.